Hi, welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. This week I am looking for a thing for my camera. Lost the bloody lens cap, which is really a pain in the arse, especially when you have got an Olympus camera where the lens caps are expensive and they tend to go for quite high prices on eBay. So I thought, you know what? Let's see if we can't 3D print something. In the words of the great Ron Swanson, idiots buy things when you can make them. So yeah, let's have a quick look on Thingiverse and see if we cannot find a pattern, an STL file that fits this particular brand of camera lens and save me 30-40 quid buying a brand new one which isn't even Olympus branded. So let's give it a try. We have got a proper fitted lens cap on the top, and with the built-in plastic spring inside, it even bloody grips on. On the back of the lens cap I have put some foam. The foam basically stops it scratching the lens itself, and I picked that up from Hobbycraft, so just attached there with some polystyrene cement glue. So yeah, very happy with this. So now my lens cap, causing a mess. Lens cap just goes straight on and fits absolutely beautifully. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. As always, I try and upload a video once a week. However, I've been a little tardy this week, but we've finally got the video up. If you like what I do, please feel free to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think, and click the subscribe button and notification bell as well. Just for fun. Who knows what they do? It's something to do with algorithms. I don't understand algorithms. I understand 3D printing. Thanks for watching.